In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tax settings and standard tax rates in WooCommerce. We're going to walk through the full setup process in a simple and practical way, so your store can calculate taxes correctly during checkout. This is an important part of configuring any WooCommerce store, because tax settings affect how prices are displayed, how customers are charged, and how orders are recorded. To begin, go to WooCommerce, then open Settings and select the General tab. In this area, you'll find the option that allows WooCommerce tax calculations. Turn that setting on so your store can start handling taxes automatically. Once you've enabled it, save your changes. Saving at this stage is important because it activates the additional tax options you'll need in the next steps. After that, open WooCommerce again, go back into Settings, and this time select the Tax tab. This is where the main tax behavior for your store is controlled. One of the first things you'll need to decide is whether your product prices already include tax, or whether tax should be added on top of the price during checkout. Choose the option that matches the way you want your store to display and charge prices. It's a good idea to be consistent here, because this setting directly affects the customer experience and your reporting. Next, choose which address WooCommerce should use for tax calculations. This tells the store whether taxes should be based on the customer's billing address, shipping address, or another selected location. The right choice depends on how your business operates and the tax rules that apply to your store, so make sure you select the option that fits your setup. Once that's done, open Standard Rates. This section is where you manually define the tax rate rules your store should follow. Enter the country, state, postal code, and the applicable tax rate for the region you want to configure. Be careful when entering this information, because even a small mistake in the region or rate can lead to incorrect tax calculations. If your store needs to charge tax on shipping, configure the shipping tax setting as required. This ensures that shipping costs are taxed properly whenever your local rules require it. When everything looks correct, save the rates. Finally, test the checkout process to confirm that taxes are being applied the way you expect. This final check helps you catch any issues before customers place real orders, and it gives you confidence that your WooCommerce tax setup is working correctly.